For most enthusiasts, the privilege of owning a classic car isn't about numbers or return on investment. It's about heading out on the weekend and having a little bit of fun. It's about making a statement and turning heads. That's why rides like this awesome 1970 Challenger Resto Mod have such a loyal following. They're cool, stylish, fast, and fun. This E-Body's nut and bolt rotisserie restoration began when its solid fuselage was meticulously stripped, carefully massaged, and thoroughly sanded. Once that canvas was fully prepped, flaked Hemi-orange base was sealed in clear and dressed in sinister stripes, and decorated with a TA-style hood and spoilers. This Dodge seamlessly balances a cool personality with flashy good looks. Inside, a custom cockpit melds the timeless good looks of American muscle with tasteful upgrades and modern conveniences. Thick leather seats frame safety harnesses in sporty orange stitching. A sculpted dash hangs reliable odometer gauges above modern AC, modern audio, and metal foot pedals. That dash flows into a stylish console that's fashioned around a TKO pistol grip shifter, and a polished and half-wrapped steering wheel laps a tilting column. Under the hood, you'll find 528 cubic inches of Indy Street Legend Hemi that twist over 700 dyno-proven horsepower and over 650 pound-feet of torque. That powerful engine is hooked to a Chrysler-supplied Tremec TKO 600 5-speed that spins a posi-traction rear. Well-built, fully detailed, and attention-grabbing in every way. This Dodge backs a lot of show with a whole lot of go. In summary, it's what every car guy wants: speed, style, and endless good times. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.